Very good morning, my lovely babies. I hope you are doing good. You all are safe. You're smiling and shining bright. Yes. Children, have you ever thought if there is no petrol in the car, will it work? Can we drive it without this fuel? Will it be possible for your daddy to take you out for some long drive? Just think, no petrol, no driving, isn't it? Because petrol acts as a fuel, as a food for the car. So if there is no petrol, we can't drive it. Or think if the car has only 3 wheels, can we drive it smoothly? Or if your own bicycle has one tire punctured, will you ride it smoothly? Have you ever thought of these questions? Just think that if a car is having only 3 wheels, 3 tires, so can we drive it? The answer would be no, we cannot drive a car if there is no fuel in it, or if some part is missing. We cannot drive it. We cannot drive it smoothly. If the tire of my bicycle is punctured, I can't drive it. I can't ride it smoothly. Why? Because every part is important. Every part of, be it a machine or be it a body. Sometimes you must have felt, or you must have said to your mom, Mama, I do not want to go to school because my stomach is aching, my tooth is paining, or I am unwell. Isn't it? You know why we feel sick or we feel uneasy? When the body is unhealthy, we often fall sick. So it is our duty to keep the body healthy and strong. And what can you do to make your body strong and healthy? Just imagine if there is a stomach ache. Can we feel healthy? Can we feel happy? If pain is going on in the stomach or in the head, we don't feel good, isn't it? So we should take good care of our body. And what else can we do to make it healthy? Number 1, you should always eat healthy diet. Avoid eating junk. What are junk food? Junk is not healthy. It only adds calories to your body. It doesn't give good thing like chips, Maggi, noodles, Pepsis, packed juices. These are all called junk food, and just avoid this. I'm not saying do not eat it. Once a blue moon, once a month, fix a day to eat junk. Isn't it? Now, eat healthy. Number 2, drink milk. And eat means your vegetables also. Eat, seasonal vegetables. Drink milk. Number 3 is important. Take rest. Do not watch a lot of TV or cartoons. Our body needs adequate amount of sleep or rest to rejuvenate. Yes, rest is also very, very important. Now our body, I discussed about all the different body parts, isn't it? Eyes, nose, head, forehead, eyelashes, nose, nostrils, pupils, then lips, mouth, tongue, 5 sense organs, neck, shoulder, and different parts of the arm, chest, stomach, waist, and the parts of leg. Now just touch a little below your chest. Just press it. You'll find some hard things inside it. These are your bones. There are internal body parts also. When have you ever noticed when you go to play in the playground and you run very fast, something here on the left hand side starts beating quickly, very fast. Have you ever observed it? Or when you fall sick, a doctor uses a stethoscope and he or she checks on your chest, something on your chest. What they are testing, what they are checking? It is they are observing your heartbeat. They are checking your heartbeat when you fall sick. So there are certain organs which are inside the body, and they are called internal body parts. They are called internal body parts. So today we would be discussing about internal body part. Like I told you, a car cannot run without fuel or petrol, because fuel is a kind of good food for the car. Or if any of the part is damaged, we can't drive it. Similarly, we need to keep the internal body part also very healthy. Now I would be discussing about what all body parts we have and what are their functions. Like we discuss about 5 senses: eyes, nose, ears, skin, tongue, isn't it? Similarly, there are the body parts and what the internal parts of the body are doing, how we should keep them healthy, I would be discussing today in this video. So be alert and listen carefully. Now this is called the head, and here is the internal organ which is called the thinking machine. We think with our brain. Absolutely right. Now this is your brain. This is also internal. We can't see it. This is the internal organ, and it is very, very important. It gives instructions to all the body part. Yes, for the brain and for the heart and for rest of the body part also, a good diet and exercise, both are very, very important. So avoid eating junk, my little ones, okay? Now everybody knows when we eat food, it goes into the stomach. Now this body part is called stomach. And have you ever seen your mama using mixer grinder in the kitchen? When she makes some chutney, what she adds some leaves, onion and chilies, and then mama jab switch on karti hai, it becomes a paste, isn't it? The leaves become a paste kind of thing. So the stomach acts like a mixer grinder. When we eat food, when we chew food and the food goes into the stomach, there the digestion process carries out. This is your stomach. When we eat, it goes into the stomach. Now everyone, take a deep breath. One more time with Deepti ma'am. Take deep breath. Now, when you're breathing in, there is this pipe here that is called the windpipe. It takes your oxygen. When you breathe, which gas you intake? Oxygen from the environment, from the air. When we breathe, we take oxygen. Once again, breathe with me. Yes, we are taking oxygen and it is going inside. One more time. It is going inside. So when we are breathing, we are taking oxygen, and the oxygen is, it is going inside. It is from the windpipe. It is the windpipe which is connected to the nose. It takes the oxygen inside. So this body part is called the windpipe. Windpipe. Breathe in, it goes into windpipe, and then it enters the body. Yes, This is windpipe. When we breathe inside with the help of windpipe, it goes to the lungs. There are two lungs, and when we breathe, air goes into the lungs. So this body part is called lungs. Lungs. The first internal body part was, which I taught you, was your brain. Then windpipe, which is connected to nose. And the third body part, lungs. When we breathe, the oxygen goes into the lungs, and there are two lungs. Lungs. There are two lungs. Yes. And just get up from your chair or from the bed and start running until I count 20. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep on running. 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Stop, everybody. Now keep your hand on the left side of your chest. Just press little and just see. Can you hear some beating sound? Yes, it is your heart. It is your heart. Heart is also an internal body part. Thinking machine, brain. Windpipe, liver, and this is the heart. And a heart pumps blood to all the body parts, to all over the body. Yes, so this beating of sound is because of the body part, heart. Yes. Now, how many of you like Rajma rice? Everyone, I'm sure everybody likes Rajma chawal, isn't it? So what do we call Rajma? We call it kidney beans. What is the name? Kidney beans. Why they are called kidney beans? Because the shape is like one of our internal organ, that is kidneys. So there are two kidneys in a human body. And what is the function of kidneys? They remove waste products from the body. And how can we keep it healthy? Drink a lot of water. When mama gives you water in your water bottle, make sure you drink it. You finish your water bottle. If we want to keep our kidneys healthy, so we need to drink a lot of water. Yes, kidneys remove waste from the body. Like in the morning, maids come and they clean the house with broom and mop. They do cleaning. Why they do cleaning? Because they want to clean. They want to make our house neat. So kidneys do this. The kidneys, removes the waste out from the body. The kidneys, it removes waste product from the body. And how can we keep it healthy? By drinking a lot of water. Now there is one more internal body part. This part is called liver. Liver. Now liver is also a very, very important internal organ. It cleanses your blood. Yes, it acts as a purifier. It purifies the blood, and the heart pumps the blood to all the body parts. But it is the liver where the blood is purified. How can we keep our liver healthy? By eating a balanced diet. Our liver stays with a smile if we eat a healthy diet. If we follow strict exercise regime, either we go for some running exercise, or we do some cycling, or we do some yoga asanas, our liver stays happy and young always. So we need to keep good, take care of our liver as well. Now, these are few body parts, internal body parts I've discussed. Now, it is made up of, when you press your hand hard, you find some very hard thing. These are your bones. And when you were very, very small, there were more than 206 bones. There were 300 bones. But as we grow little bigger, few bones, they merge together and it makes the count to 206. So the human body is made up of 206 bones. Everyone speak once again. The human body is made up of 206 bones. How many bones? 206 bones. When we grow big, the bones also grows little bigger with us. Yes, so this is your bone.
Inside my body, there is room so I can breathe. Inside my body, I can feel when my heart beats. It's like a party, always something going on. I've got a body, bones and muscles keep me strong. I've got a skeleton from my head down to my feet. 206, that's lots of bones. They all fit nice and neat. I've got some muscles too. They make me very strong. I pick up things and jump real high. They help me run along. Inside my body, there is room so I can breathe. Inside my body, I can feel when my heart beats. It's like a party, always something going on. I've got a body, bones and muscles keep me strong. I've got a clever brain and it helps me always think. It tells my body what to do, and I can do many things. The heart, spleen, intestines too, the stomach and my lungs. These are my organs and they'll help me live very long. Inside my body, there is room so I can breathe. Inside my body, I can feel when my heart beats. It's like a party.